Welcome back to Top 5 Repairs. If you're getting the car on lift symbol showing up on your instrument cluster or on your dashboard, I'm going to tell you guys exactly what it means. If you drive a European vehicle, for example, you drive a BMW or Mini Cooper, and you see this car on lift symbol showing up, there are two meanings behind it. Number one is there's an issue with your vehicle and it requires attention. Or number two, the time maintenance interval has expired and requires your vehicle to bring it in for service. Let's start with the time maintenance interval. How often does the car and symbol show up? It can show up every 5,000 miles, 10,000 miles, 20,000 miles, 30,000 miles, 60,000 miles, and more. For example, if it shows up at 5,000 miles, it's most likely for basic maintenance. For example, maybe it is time to change your engine oil, maybe it is time to inspect your brake pads, maybe it is time to check your brake fluid level, maybe it is time to check coolant level, and so on. Now, if the car and lift symbol shows up at 30,000 miles or 60,000 miles, maybe it is time to change parts. For example, maybe it is time to change your spark plug, maybe it is time to change your air filter, maybe it is time to change your cabin air filter, maybe it is time to change your belts. At 30 to 60,000 miles, they're going to check your axle, they're going to check your control arm bushing, they're going to check your tie rod ends, they're going to check your ball joint boot to make sure it is not torn, they're going to check your struts, they're going to check your battery, they're going to check your oil and fluid levels. For example, they're going to check the transmission fluid level, they're going to check the power steering fluid level, and again, they're going to check your engine oil, your brake fluid level, and so on. What happens if you're getting the car and lift symbol and it is not for maintenance? You have to look at your instrument cluster or your dashboard and look for additional warning lights. For example, if you see this light showing up and this light showing up together, this indicates that you have a brake issue. For example, it could mean that your brake pads are worn and it's time to change your brake pads. It could also mean that your brake pad wear sensor is either damaged or it came loose, or there could be a connection issue, or maybe this brake pad wear sensor is probably just dangling and it's not even attached to the brake pads. As mentioned earlier, if you're getting the car on lift symbol, you must look for additional warning light. For example, if the battery light shows up and the car on lift symbol light shows up, it means that you have a charging issue. If you haven't been driving your vehicle, and for example, you went on vacation for about 3 weeks and you came back and you started up your vehicle on a cold morning and you see the car on lift symbol showing up and the battery light is showing up, your battery voltage is probably just low, and all you have to do is just jump start your vehicle, let it run for 20 minutes, and most likely the battery light and the car on lift symbol is going to go away once your battery is charged. Now, if the car lift symbol shows up and you have no additional warning lights, it is time to check for additional message on the control menu. What you want to do is you want to check the CCID to see if you have any additional faults. When you check the CCID, there's going to be an additional number next to it, and each number is going to represent an issue. For example, if you're getting CCID 604, it can mean that the brake system has failed, or you're getting CCID 420, it can mean that your transmission has malfunctioned, or if you're getting 182, it can mean that your oil level sensor has malfunctioned. I hope you found this lesson useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.